Good afternoon. Welcome to another painting video with your favorite colorblind person, Brian. Hopefully there's a bit more light on the canvas this time. Got some new lights, so we'll see how that works. Maybe we'll have to try some fancy camera angles next time. Not quite yet. Anyway, got a beautiful 16 by 20. Got quite a few of these, so why not? I also picked up some different size canvases today from the craft store. I went to Joann's, which the one that's near me is thankfully not closing, so that's awesome. But yeah, so we're gonna do blue colors with glue on white. So I've got Payne's Gray, which is kind of blue. I have two blue. I have this beautiful metallic sapphire. I've got some silver and some iridescent white. So we're just gonna throw some stuff off of there. Throw some white on here. Get this spread out. Hope everybody is doing well. Trying to enjoy my day off here. Get to do inventory at work starting tomorrow. Very exciting. Actually don't mind doing inventory, counting stuff. It's not really that big of a deal to me. It's not exciting, but you know, if you've done all of your preparation and kept things organized, then it's not really a big deal. It's only when you're, not doing what you're supposed to be doing and you haven't been getting things ready, that it takes longer than it should. So, hopefully everybody I work with has been doing what they needed to, and it will go smoothly, or at least I know my area will, because I've been condensing and taking things out for the last couple of months, when I wasn't, filling stuff for Christmas. I was getting stuff ready. Try and make my life simpler, because if you wait till the last minute, you're going to run out of time, and then you're out of luck. So hopefully that will go well. Let's see. There. Nope, that's not it. Let me go find something quick. Here it is. It was right where it's supposed to be all along. I'm just gonna do it. You know what? We're just gonna put it right in the middle. Why not? And we're just gonna let it wander wherever it feels like going, with a little course correction if necessary. We're just gonna see what we get. either this just wants to move or my table is not very level. It's probably a bit of both. So and that is just fine. Mm-hmm. Got a lot of fun stuff going on already, so it should be interesting. Because even if it's not great, if it's interesting, then you got something. So hopefully you've started enjoying pouring if you didn't before, and you decided to invest in some fun new toys to play with for painting. You've had a chance to try things out. All right, and this is where it goes horribly right or horribly wrong. So, piece of something in here. Hopefully, I can dig that out. Not sure what that was. So I am just going to leave it the way it is, because there's a lot of fun stuff here, and these also tend to little things open up a bit more as the glue dries. That's one of my favorite things about the glue. So we're just going to call it a day. Kind of like this weird eyeball looking thing in the middle here, but yeah, good stuff. Hope you're having good luck, having some good ideas, just having fun with it, and that's what it's all about. Thanks for watching. Stop. I know what you're thinking. This is a tiny little canvas, or I'm really far away. Nope, it's really just a tiny little canvas. I think it said it was 4x4. It looks more like it's 3x3. Anyway, I didn't have enough paint left over to do coasters, which is what I was hoping to do, but I do have enough paint. do one of these little guys. I picked some of these up this morning because I thought it'd be fun to have as a magnet or something, refrigerator magnet. They had some that had refrigerator or had magnets on them, but they were like $8 for one, and that seemed rather ridiculous. So decided to go for the cheaper alternative and just put the silly magnets on myself. But I just thought it would be fun. Try one of these little things, just for the heck of it. Let's see what I got out of it, because that's most of the fun. So let's try this crazy thing. All right. Well, it is definitely interesting. Hopefully it dries decently. There's some cool stuff there. We'll see what it looks like when it's done. Whoops, way off center. There we go. All right, now I'm done. Stop.